Riwruok mar jotich e sekta mar thieth koro ywak ni moko kuom kembe mag okumba thieth duoko piny rang'iny mar thieth ma jotuo yudo. Kotelnegi kod jagoro maduong' mar riwruog laktache KMPDU Davji Atela, jochiw thieth go wacho ni okumba gi oketo nyime yuto margi moloyo thieth ma jotuo yudo, kendo gin ema gichiko jotuo kaka onego giyud thieth. Jochiw thieth go bende oseo migawo mar thieth kuom deko ndiko laktache e bwo chenro mar UHC e yo mongirore, kata obedo ni bajet ma kamano noseketi.
When insurance companies cannot engage with the institutions, they cannot engage in the quality of care that is needed, but they focus on the profits, that's what we see. And then this goes to all of them, because what will unite AR, Jubilee, and Britam, and First Assurance, it is the profit making. So this is our call, that insurance companies should make it possible for healthcare workers to do their job. They should make it easier for patients to access care.
Ministry of Health did not ask for that money. It is us, the unions and the USC workers, who went on the streets and ensured that a budget is allocated of 606.2 billion to absorb UHC workers into permanent and pensionable terms. Today, as we speak, the process has delayed with 2 months, meaning we are starting another problem of updating the absorption of UHCs. We want to tell him that please show leadership and absorb UHC into permanent and pensionable basis, and as it has been said, by first, if those salaries will not be harmonized, then we are still strong. We will go back to street.